Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have a cut USB cable. Act now. First, plug the cable in gently to confirm power or data loss, then unplug. Once confirmed, strip back 1/2 to 3/4 inch of outer jacket to expose colored conductors. Make sure to slide heat shrink tubing over one side before separating wires. You need to keep each color paired. This matters for data lines. If shielding is present, fold it back and keep it isolated from data wires. Once wires are exposed and prepped, align matching colors, red to red, black to black, white to white, green to green, and twist or crimp. If you solder, tin each wire first, then heat and flow solder to avoid cold joints. This improves conductivity and durability. Make sure the data pair, white/green, is neat to prevent crosstalk. After each joint is made, position individual heat shrink over the bare metal and shrink it, so insulation restores mechanical strength and prevents shorts. Once every conductor is insulated, cover the whole repair with larger heat shrink or layered electrical tape for strain relief. Pull gently to simulate movement. Make sure the seam is smooth, then test. Plug in, check charging, and perform a quick file transfer to confirm data. If the cable still fails or is intermittent, reopen the repair and inspect joints for cold solder or poorly crimped connections. Make sure shielding isn't touching data pins, because that can cause errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.